Top 15 places to visit in Frankfurt. Introduction. Frankfurt, a vibrant financial and cultural center in Germany, merges modernity with history, offering travelers skyscrapers alongside medieval landmarks. Known for its business-centric skyline, Frankfurt's charm lies in its rich blend of culture, art, and innovation. This guide will cover the top 15 places to visit, including architectural marvels, museums, and nature spots. Additionally, you'll find comprehensive information on local transportation, dining, accommodation, cultural insights, and useful tips for a memorable visit. By subscribing, you become part of a global community of travelers just like you. We're here to inspire, guide, and help each other discover new adventures. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's make this journey unforgettable, together. Top 15 places to visit in Frankfurt. 1. Römerberg. The historic heart of Frankfurt, Römerberg is a picturesque square lined with traditional half-timbered houses and historical landmarks. 1. The square hosts the Römer, Frankfurt's medieval town hall, renowned for its Gothic architecture and three-gabled facade. 1. St. Nicholas Church, with its striking red and white exterior, adds charm to the area. 1. Römerberg is also the site of Frankfurt's popular Christmas market. 1. Visitors can explore quaint boutiques, dine at cafes, or soak in the atmosphere of centuries-old buildings, making it a must-visit spot for history enthusiasts and photographers alike. 2. Frankfurt Cathedral, Kaiserdom Street. Bartholomäus. This Gothic cathedral stands out as one of Frankfurt's most significant historical buildings. 2. Built in the 14th century, it boasts a towering spire and intricate architecture. 2. The cathedral served as the coronation site for Holy Roman emperors. 2. Visitors can climb the spire's 324 steps for a breathtaking view of the city. 2. Inside, the stained glass windows and detailed carvings are captivating. 2. The cathedral also houses a museum with artifacts from its rich past. 2. Kaiserdom Street. Bartholomäus is a cultural gem, offering insights into Frankfurt's religious and historical heritage. 3. Stadel Museum. The Stadel Museum is Frankfurt's premier art museum, showcasing over 700 years of European art. 3. With works by masters like Rembrandt, Monet, and Picasso, the museum offers an extensive collection spanning Renaissance to modern art. 3. The museum's architecture is an art piece in itself, featuring a modern underground gallery illuminated by circular skylights. 3. Visitors can explore paintings, sculptures, and temporary exhibitions. 3. The museum's multimedia guide provides deeper insights, making it an enriching experience for art lovers and casual visitors alike. 4. Palmengarten. Palmengarten, Frankfurt's renowned botanical garden, is a lush oasis featuring diverse plant collections from around the world. 4. Spanning 54 acres, it includes themed gardens, greenhouses, and tropical landscapes. 4. Highlights include the Rose Garden, the Mediterranean section, and a stunning tropical rainforest. 4. The Palm House, with its towering palm trees, is a visitor favorite. 4. Seasonal events and flower shows offer vibrant displays, making Palmengarten a perfect escape for nature enthusiasts and families looking to unwind. 5. Main Tower. Standing at 200 meters, Main Tower is a modern skyscraper offering the best panoramic views of Frankfurt. 5. Visitors can ascend to the observation deck for a 360-degree view of the cityscape, including the financial district, River Main, and the surrounding skyline. 5. The tower's glass facade adds to its appeal, making it a striking landmark in the city's architectural landscape. 5. A visit to the main tower is perfect for those seeking both urban vistas and photographic opportunities. 6. Goethe House and Museum. The birthplace of Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, Germany's literary icon, Goethe House is a well-preserved 18th-century home showcasing the writer's life and legacy. 6. Visitors can tour rooms filled with period furniture, artifacts, and personal items. 6. The adjacent Goethe Museum offers a collection of art from Goethe's era, providing a deeper understanding of the cultural environment that shaped his works. 6. Goethe House is a must-visit for literature and history lovers exploring Frankfurt. 7. Senckenberg Natural History Museum, Germany's second-largest natural history museum. Senckenberg is known for its extensive dinosaur displays and natural science exhibits. 7. Fossils, minerals, and a remarkable collection of preserved animals, including marine life and reptiles, make it an educational experience for all ages. 7. The museum's lifelike dinosaur models and interactive exhibits engage visitors in Earth's prehistoric past. 7. Senckenberg Museum is a fantastic destination for families and science enthusiasts. 8. Museum Embankment, Museumsufer, a cultural hotspot along the River Main. Museumsufer hosts a series of museums covering art, archaeology, film, and history. 8. Key institutions include the German Film Museum, the Museum of Communication, and the Museum of World Cultures. 8. Each museum offers unique collections, making it easy for visitors to choose based on their interests. 8. Museumsufer also hosts the annual Museum Embankment Festival, a lively celebration of art and culture. 9. Frankfurt Zoo. Established in 1858, Frankfurt Zoo is one of Germany's oldest zoos, featuring over 4,500 animals from 450 species. 9. The zoo's enclosures mimic natural habitats, allowing visitors to observe animals up close. 9. Highlights include the Gerzemek House, home to nocturnal animals, and the Exotarium, featuring marine life and reptiles. 9. Family-friendly and educational, Frankfurt Zoo offers an enjoyable experience for animal lovers and children alike. 10. Altoper, Old Opera House, a stunning example of neoclassical architecture. Altoper is Frankfurt's historic opera house. 10. Originally opened in 1880, it was meticulously restored after World War II and now hosts concerts, operas, and ballets. 10. Its grand facade and elegant interior make it an architectural gem. 10. Visitors can attend performances or take guided tours to explore the building's ornate halls and history. 10. Altoper is a must-visit for culture enthusiasts and classical music fans. 11. Eiserner Steg, Iron Bridge. This pedestrian bridge over the Main River offers stunning views of Frankfurt's skyline. 11. Built in 1869, Eiserner Steg is popular for its lovelocks and scenic surroundings. 11. The bridge connects central Frankfurt to Sachsenhausen, a historic district known for its cider taverns. 11. Walking across the bridge provides fantastic photo opportunities, making it a favorite among tourists and locals alike. 12. Sachsenhausen. Sachsenhausen is Frankfurt's oldest district, famous for its cobblestone streets, traditional cider taverns, and vibrant nightlife. 12. The district's apple wine taverns serve the local apple cider, a unique culinary experience. 12. Visitors can enjoy traditional German cuisine, live music, and a lively atmosphere. 12. Sachsenhausen is perfect for those looking to explore local culture and Frankfurt's social scene. 13. Commerzbank Tower. As one of Frankfurt's tallest skyscrapers, Commerzbank Tower stands out with its eco-friendly design and unique architecture. 13. Although access is restricted, visitors can admire its impressive exterior and learn about its innovative green building practices. 13. The tower is a symbol of Frankfurt's role as a financial hub and is a popular sight on city tours. 14. Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Deutsche Börse. Frankfurt Stock Exchange is one of the world's largest trading hubs. 14. Visitors can take a guided tour to learn about global finance and see the famous trading floor. 14. Located in the city center, the exchange reflects Frankfurt's importance in the financial world. 14. While tours require advance booking, it's a fascinating visit for those interested in economics and global trade. 15. Zeil Shopping Street. Known as Frankfurt's main shopping avenue, Zeil offers a mix of high-end stores, boutiques, and international brands. 15. The street features the modern Zeil Gallery and My Zeil, a shopping center with a unique glass architecture. 15. It's a shopping paradise for tourists, with everything from designer labels to local souvenirs. 15. Zeal is perfect for shopping enthusiasts and those seeking a lively urban experience. Transportation options. Intercommunication systems. Frankfurt has a reliable intercommunication system, with well signposted and regularly timed trains, trams, and buses. Tickets can be purchased at automated machines and validated before travel. Signs in major areas are often in English for international travelers. Taxis are widely available and can be hailed on the street, found at taxi stands, or booked by phone. They are a convenient option for shorter trips within the city, but be prepared for higher costs compared to public transport. Rental cars. For those wanting to explore beyond Frankfurt, rental car services are available at the airport and major stations. Driving in Frankfurt is straightforward, but parking can be limited in busy areas. It's advisable to reserve a parking spot in advance. Buses. Frankfurt's bus network is extensive and offers a budget-friendly way to travel around the city and outskirts. The buses are part of the RMV, Rhein-Main-Verkehrsverbund, public transport system, which integrates with trains and trams for easy transfers. Accommodation. Frankfurt offers a wide range of accommodations, from luxury hotels in the city center to affordable hostels and guesthouses. Business travelers often choose hotels near the Messe Frankfurt Trade Fair, while budget travelers may find good options in Sachsenhausen. Booking in advance, especially during trade fairs, is recommended. Food and drink. Frankfurt's culinary scene is a mix of traditional German cuisine and international flavors. The city's specialty, apple wine, is a must-try in Sachsenhausen's cider taverns. Don't miss local dishes like Grün Soße, green sauce, Handke's mit Musik, cheese dish, and hearty sausages. The city also offers a variety of international dining options in neighborhoods like Bahnhofsviertel. Culture. Frankfurt boasts a rich cultural heritage, blending historical significance with modern-day vibrance. It's home to world-renowned cultural institutions, including the Goethe House, Altoper, and an array of museums on the Museumsufer. Frankfurt hosts several international events, from art fairs to financial conferences, showcasing its global appeal. Visitors will find that Frankfurt values both tradition and progress, with its distinct mix of medieval architecture alongside modern skyscrapers. Festivals like the Frankfurt Book Fair reflect the city's commitment to intellectual pursuits and cultural exchange. Shopping. Frankfurt offers excellent shopping options ranging from luxury boutiques to traditional markets. Zeal Shopping Street is the most popular shopping destination, filled with both high-end brands and department stores. The Zeilgallery and My Zeal Mall have unique architecture and numerous stores, perfect for shopaholics. Kleinmarktthal, Frankfurt's famous indoor market, offers fresh produce, spices, and gourmet delicacies, making it ideal for those looking to sample local flavors or buy unique gifts. The weekend flea market along the River Main is also a great spot to find antiques and handcrafted items. Events and festivals. Frankfurt hosts a range of festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating everything from literature to local cuisine. 1. Frankfurt Book Fair, October. The world's largest book fair, attracting authors, publishers, and literature lovers from around the globe. 2. Museumsufer Festival, August, a vibrant cultural celebration along the river, with art, music, and food. 3. Christmas Market, late November to December, one of Germany's oldest Christmas markets, located in Romerberg, featuring festive stalls, mulled wine, and holiday treats. 4. Apple Wine Festival, August, celebrates Frankfurt's traditional drink, apple wine, with tastings and live music. These events provide an immersive way to experience Frankfurt's traditions and enjoy local music, food, and culture. Wi-Fi networks. Free Wi-Fi is available in many public areas, cafes, and hotels across Frankfurt. The city offers free Wi-Fi hotspots, particularly in high-traffic areas like Romerberg and Zeal Shopping Street. Major public transport stations also provide Wi-Fi access. Hotels generally offer free or paid Wi-Fi for guests, and cafes often provide free Wi-Fi with purchase. Health and emergency services. Frankfurt has a well-developed healthcare system, with numerous hospitals and clinics. Pharmacies, apotheke, are readily available across the city and display a green cross sign. In case of medical emergencies, visitors can dial 112 for an ambulance. The city also has several English-speaking medical centers catering to international visitors. Emergency numbers: 1. Ambulance and fire services, 112. 2. Police, 110. These numbers are free to dial and operate 24/7. Weather: Frankfurt experiences a temperate climate with warm summers and mild winters. The best time to visit is late spring, May to June, and early autumn, September to October, when the weather is pleasant, and outdoor events are plentiful. Summers, July-August, can be warm, with temperatures averaging 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters, December to February, are cool, averaging around 3 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, with occasional snowfall. Pack accordingly and check weather forecasts, especially if visiting during winter months. Other important tips for tourists. 1. Language. German is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. 2. Currency. Euro. 2. ATMs are common, and most establishments accept credit cards. 3. Tipping. Tipping is customary in Germany. 3. Rounding up the bill or leaving a 5–10% tip is appreciated. 4. Electricity. Frankfurt uses the European standard of 230 volts, with Type C or F plugs. Conclusion: Frankfurt is a dynamic city that offers a unique fusion of old and new, appealing to travelers of all interests. Whether you're exploring its historical landmarks, diving into its rich art scene, or simply enjoying local cuisine, Frankfurt promises a well-rounded experience. From efficient transportation to diverse cultural attractions, this guide has everything you need for an unforgettable trip to one of Germany's most captivating cities. Embrace the blend of tradition and innovation, and let Frankfurt's charm leave a lasting impression. Safe travels. By subscribing, you become part of a global community of travelers just like you. We're here to inspire, guide, and help each other discover new adventures. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's make this journey unforgettable, together.